Let me say
freedom, my family, and most importantly, Kenneth Walker for coming out here.
Say her name. Say her name. Say her name. Running into his car, policemen.
Guilty! Guilty!
Guilty!
Guilty! Peace!
I met this man when I was 7 years old. But we gonna stand. At this time, I wanna just thank Reverend L. Starkey and all the EDA teams. You don't train your officers on the standard operating procedures to get them racial bias training. Now I'm gonna bring up I've been watching this forever. Training Stewart.
Thank you for your support. Continue to fight because without you we're nothing.
Brother, September 6th marks 2 years since I last heard his voice, heard his system, because both of them would still be alive today. Instead, we are 9 days away.
Oh, blood in Georgia, Brunswick, Georgia. Give Wanda a big hand in his mouth. I just want to say, it's been a hard road because
I also want you guys to help me chant his name.
I just want to say, even though we're going through a crisis, even though and last but not least, I want to leave with you my favorite Bible verse. It's Proverbs 3, 5, and 6, and it says,
constitutionally, I'm Eric Garner Jr. That's my message.
That dream, and so we must have the dream that we're going to see equality of all people. I am Oscar Grant.
Say his name. Say his name. Say his name. Say his name.
People have the power.
Power to the people, baby. And begin to line up to my right. As we begin to march. Y'all all right with one more, Leslie? Everybody good? That are around me, just acknowledge who's here. The family of Stephon Clark is here. Hold your fist up, bro. We want to pray for all of these families. Pamela Turner. All right. We need to, so let's let everybody. Steph, I didn't hear you, brother.
Stephon Clark.
Are you filming me?
Yeah, I'm definitely.
You don't want to do that on TV. Y'all talk to him, brother. He don't want to film me on TV.
I don't want to talk to you.
No, I'm not going to be filming up here with this brother here. I know.
Everybody going down.